Hello everyone, this is Prabha Thanvi from Learn and Achieve. Today we shall learn about a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Mary had a little lamb. Hence, every sentence has two parts. The part which names the person or thing we are speaking about. This is called the subject of the sentence. The part which tells something about the subject, this is called the predicate of the sentence. Mary had a little lamb. Mary is subject and had a little lamb is predicate. हिंदी में सब्जेक्ट को उद्देश्य कहा जाता है और प्रेडिकेट को विधेय कहा जाता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट सिंपल सेंटेंस. हिंदी में इसे सरल वाक्य भी कहा जाता है. A simple sentence is one that has only one subject and one finite verb. Mary had a little lamb. The sentence contains only one subject, Mary, and one finite verb, had. Such a sentence as this, which contains only one subject and one finite verb, is called a simple sentence. Now we have to know about the kinds of verb. There are two kinds of verbs, finite and non-finite. A finite verb is that has tense. Further, it has to agree with its subject in person and number. He likes me. ही लाइक्स मी, ही और शी के साथ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में एस या ई एस का यूज़ होता है, इसीलिए वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ एस या ई एस आया. तो लाइक्स जो है फाइनाइट वर्ब है जो टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग चलती है. इनफाइनाइट, जिसको नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब भी कहते हैं, अ नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब इज़ नॉट अफेक्टेड बिकॉज इट डज नॉट एग्री विद इट्स सब्जेक्ट इन पर्सन एंड नंबर. एग्जाम्पल, आई लाइक टू प्ले. टू प्ले इज द नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब. टू प्ले को इन्फिनेटिव भी कहा जाता है. सेकेंड इज कंपाउंड सेंटेंस. हिंदी में इसे संयुक्त वाक्य कहा जाता है. ही केम एंड आई वेंट आउट. दिस सेंटेंस इज मेड अप ऑफ टू स्टेटमेंट्स of simple sentence joined together by the conjunction and. He came in and second is I went out. Such a sentence as this, which is made up of clauses of equal rank, is called a compound sentence. संयुक्त वाक्य कहा जाता है. Next is थर्ड इज कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. हिंदी में इसे मिश्रित या जटिल वाक्य कहा जाता है. अ सेंटेंस मेड अप ऑफ अ प्रिंसिपल or main clause and one or more subordinate clause is called a complex sentence. अब हमें ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि क्लॉज क्या होते हैं. क्लॉज को हिंदी में उपवाक्य कहा जाता है. अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट फॉर्म्स पार्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस एंड हैज़ अ सब्जेक्ट एंड predicate of its own is called a clause. Example, I don't know where he has gone. The sentence contains two statements. I don't know is the principal or main clause. Where he has gone, dependent or subordinate clause. These two statements are not of equal rank. The second statement is dependent on the first statement for its meaning. The dependent statement where he has gone is called a dependent or subordinate clause. The statement I don't know is called the principal or main clause. The principal clause contains the main verb of the sentence. Subordinate conjunction. A conjunction used to join two statements, one which is dependent on the other, is called a subordinate conjunction. I know that they have won the match. I know is principal or main clause, that is subordinate conjunction. They have won the match is subordinate clause. इस तरह से आज हमने सीखा सिंपल सेंटेंस, कंपाउंड सेंटेंस एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. आई होप you are getting my points. So keep learning, keep watching with Learn and Achieve.